guys? So today we're trying out some LED headlight bulbs. LED headlight bulbs are kind of odd topic, and you have to make sure you get the right ones. So we got some Toyota ones. I already had some Toyota ones in the Sequoia, and we're gonna try them out in Kevin's Scion. We tried some in here in the past, some aux beams, and they didn't do so hot. The beam was real scattered. So we're gonna try some in his Scion. He drives every day because he needs some. The other bulbs are just halogens, and to be honest with you, he's like holding two candles up trying to see you drive. So we have a company that sponsors this video. It's WOXMA. The link will be in the description. I'm going to show you those bulbs right now. Okay, so this company is nice enough to send us these, and like I said, this is WOXMA, WXMA, and these are, what are these, H7s? I think they're H7s. And we use these on a lot of stuff, and these particular ones have the reflector right there, so it basically directs the light left or right. So we're going to install these left to right so the light comes out both sides. And if you get the single-sided bulb, some of these are made to install where the light shines up. Okay, so here on the left, I don't know how good the camera's going to show this. On the left, we have the WOXMA. It's about 20 times brighter. On the right, we have the OEM. And it probably doesn't do justice on this camera, but that looks basically like a candle. And then the full LED. So we're gonna let it get dark. Jack's gonna get the neighbor pulling up. We're gonna let it get dark. We're gonna shine it on the garage door and see how the beam is. So yeah, you can see here on camera, it actually shows up really good on camera. The beam is super focused. This might be some of the best, I would say some of the best focused ones we've ever seen. Yeah. I don't know what the price was. There'll be a link in the description with these bulbs. So if you have a Toyota, they had other ones with different plugs on it too. I didn't look on there if they had any BMW ones. They didn't offer me those, so I didn't get those. But they had a lot of other stuff. So yeah, I don't know. That's all for the WOXMA LED headlights.